Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing how to play the song Big Jet Plane by Angus and Julia Stone. If you're new to this channel, my name is Abe. Welcome to Jabe Creative. So the song is in D flat. I put my capo on the first fret to make it easier to play. So I'll be using chords that are in the key of C. Let's start with the verse section. The chords for the verses are C, A minor, E minor. And those chords for the verses, you just repeat them until you get to the end of the verse where you do C, A minor, E minor, then G, which sets you up for the chorus. So the chorus is C, A minor, E minor, E minor for another bar, then C, A minor, E minor, then a G. So the tag part, which is the years, the year is the C, A minor, yeah, and you hold that E minor for two bars. Now the bridge goes F, G, A minor, and the A minor is for 2 bars. So F, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. All right, so let's play through it. I'll play through the verse, go to the chorus, and go to the bridge, and the chords will just be somewhere in this video along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the chorus, the G. Bridge. To the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So strumming wise, you can keep it simple, just going 8-note drive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can go down, down, up and down, down, up and down, down, up and down, down, up. So you can change it up depending on how you want it to feel and make it push and pull between sections depending on how you strum it. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope to see you in my next one. I'll catch you later. Bye.